Hi, I'm Don Bishop, and I practice obstetrics and gynecology. Well, when I was in graduate school in music, my wife became pregnant and had a son, and when he was born, I decided I had to do something more lucrative than being a starving musician. I was doing a master's thesis on Wolfgang Mozart, who died a pauper and was buried in a mass grave. He was a brilliant musician, a really creative mind like nobody's. And he was probably smarter than I and wasn't making it, and I decided that as a starving musician, I was imposing that on my family, and so I wanted to do something more lucrative. I went to nursing school because I thought I could do that quickly. And while I was in nursing school, there were some professors from the Southern Illinois University Medical School who had known me when I was in music. They'd sung in some of the community choirs, and 3 different times, 3 different professors kind of cornered me and said, if you're going to get into the medical field, you should go to medical school. And we talked about it, and the more I learned about it, the more I decided, well, maybe I should go to medical school. So I did, and when I graduated, I went into women's health because the birth of my son had been such a life-changing event, and I wanted to be a part of those life-changing events. So I came back to provide that service here, and I've done it for nearly 30 years. So I came back to Southern Illinois when I finished medical school because I am a native Southern Illinoisan. I grew up mostly in Hardin County, and I went to high school in Hardin County, and I went to college kind of all over, but I've always considered myself a Southern Illinoisan, and I wanted to be a part of Southern Illinois medicine. So when I finished training, I came back here, and I've delivered some 8,000 babies here, and done quite a few surgeries in the meantime. And I'm a part of the community. I've been a part of this community for a long time, and I hope to stay here. Well, I was in graduate school in music, and Barry Manilow was coming to Southern Illinois to sing a concert, and he was going to use a choir auditioned from local people, and I was part of the auditioning process, and I met my wife in the auditioning line, and I heard her sing, and I loved her voice, and we sang with Barry Manilow when he sang his concert in Carbondale, and I've stayed with her since.